Hello guys, welcome back to Landro Game again.
Today we will make a bouncing ball. Yes, bouncing ball.
Today we will make a bouncing ball game. We will use Unity Physics Material 2D. Okay, first thing first, we need to create the game design first. Yep, it's simple ball.
Okay, I think it's good.
Today we will make a bouncing ball like this. Okay, just see the game scene. It's bouncing. Yeah, it's cool. Right?
No.
Let's create physics material. Just left click your mouse, then just physics material 2D. Yeah, it's very easy. And rename it if you want to.
I agree.
Now, attach your physics material to rigidbody 2D. Yeah, just create rigidbody and drag and drop to the material.
So easy.
Don't forget to add collider to your game object. Just add box collider to platform and add circle collider to the ball. You can adjust your collider to fit the ball. So, the collider will fit the ball perfectly.
I know, it's easy.
Here you go. This is the perfect bouncing ball. You can make your own bouncing ball with your own art style. Okay, that's all for me. See you next time.
What?
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. See you next time.